Hello, lovely people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you very delicious, better than takeout shrimp and broccoli stir fry with white rice. This is so simple. You can make this in under 15 minutes for your family. Let's get right into it. To begin, I started to cook my rice. So I have about 6 cups of rice, added in my water, a teaspoon of salt, about 2 tablespoons of oil. I stirred it up, covered it, and allowed it to cook. Now let's begin to season our shrimp. So I have here about 2 pounds of shrimps nicely cleaned. This is deveined and tail on. That's how I like it. We'll season it with black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, quarter teaspoon of salt, and then we'll stir it up. Keep it in my refrigerator until I'm ready to cook it. Now let's begin to mix the sauce. I'll make sure to leave the exact measurement in my description. So I started with my low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, a quarter cup of oyster sauce, which is a must have. I also add sweet chili sauce, which is also a must have, a quarter cup of that, about a half teaspoon of sesame oil, garlic paste, cornstarch, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, which is a must add, and then a tablespoon of honey. You can omit the honey and add sugar, or you can just omit it and not add it. I'll mix everything up and then set it on the side. And now my water to steam the broccoli is boiling hot, guys. So I'll add in my colander, and then I have here my nicely washed broccoli. This is about a pound of broccoli, and we'll just steam this for 2 minutes. Please don't overcook your broccoli. All right, so after 2 minutes, my broccoli is ready. I'll take it out and then set it on the side. There's no need to run cold water on it. And at this point, my rice is perfectly cooked. It is fluffy and just the way I want it, guys. I'll remove it from flame, cover it, and then begin making my stir fry. Please make sure to have all your ingredients for the stir fry ready. It is a very fast process, so if you don't have your vegetables ready, you're going to overcook everything. You can use a wok or any stir fry pan that you have. So I have about 3 tablespoons of oil which I've nicely heated up, and I'll add in my shrimps. I'll be cooking the shrimps a minute on each side. So after a minute, I began to turn the shrimp over and then I removed it out of the pan, guys. So 2 to 3 minutes, your shrimp should be ready. You don't want to overcook the shrimps. Now in my case, I had to cook a second batch, so I removed the first batch and then began to cook the second batch. If today is your first time on this channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be part of this family. Alright, so in the same pan, I'll add in a teaspoon of garlic paste and then my ginger paste as well. I'll stir it up for about 30 seconds and then I'll add in my sliced onion. We don't want to overcook the vegetables. So once the vegetables goes in, just let it stay in for about a minute and then add the next vegetables. So I'll stir the onion up for about a minute and then I'll add in my celery and carrot. I'll stir that up also for about a minute or two. And then I'll add in bell peppers. You can use any color of choice. I have the orange and green here. I'll add in my shrimps, give it a nice mix with the vegetables, and then I'll come in with my sauce. Now this sauce was so delicious, guys. I had to remake this again for the kids. They loved it. Once the shrimps was mixed with the sauce, I added in my broccoli and then gently stirred everything together. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you. Once everything was nicely mixed up, I covered the stir fry for about 3 to 5 minutes and voila, it is ready, guys. So I garnished it with some green scallion and it is ready to be served. Yes, this was done in under 10 minutes. Once you have everything ready, you can achieve this delicious stir fry. And please remember you can double the sauce if you want it more saucy. This stir fry was so delicious and it was perfect. So I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. And now my favorite part after cooking, yes, who doesn't like to serve themselves? So I have here my rice and then my shrimp and broccoli stir fry, guys. And I like that extra sauce. Now look at the sauce. It is just so perfect. I hope you give this a try, guys. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. Please kindly subscribe if you have not done so. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.